Hey everyone, welcome back once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get a free $30 and no deposit bonus and then kickstart your forex trading journey without having to spend any kind of your own capital and then risking loss in it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I'll be leaving the link to the website that we are gonna be using today in the video description, and also you can check the pinned comment section and then you will be able to get access to the website. So on this website, when you get on the website is called Lazy Trade. You click on get started over here, then it will take you to the registration page. So once you on this registration page, I want you to select live so that you'll be able to get a live account. And then on the next page, we are going to fill in our personal information or details, and then we need to make sure that these details are correct and then matches our ID document. So I'm going to fill this and then go on ahead. So once you are done filling in everything, I want you to click on continue. So and then on this next page, we are going to enter our personal and address information. So make sure to fill this one also correctly. And then once you are done filling in everything over here, I want you to click on the continue button. And then on this next page, you need to take this page seriously, or you need to be very careful on this page before you can be able to get the trading bonus into your account. So the wallet currency, I want you to select USD, and then the platform select MT5, not MT4, because if you select MT4, you won't be able to get the bonus into your account. And then the account currency, select USD, and then the trading account type, I want you to select. So once you are done with everything, you will be redirected to the main home page over here, which you see that I've gotten a total of $50 in my account balance. Now I think there is a change in the platform which they stopped giving out the $30 bonus and turn it rather into a trading competition where you get a $50 bonus for trading competition rather. But there is also great, you should go ahead and then try it out. I'll be leaving the link to the website in the video description. You should check it out and then also enter this golden opportunity to test out your trading skills. And then if you are able to make it to the first, second or third position, you'll be awarded with a good amount of money. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like it and then subscribe to the channel.